Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
TriFold smartphones were once something we only saw in concept videos, but now they've officially arrived. Today, we're looking at two of the hottest tri-folding phones right now, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold and the Huawei Mate XT. Both represent the very peak of folding screen technology. Since they're both trifold designs, what actually sets them apart? That's exactly what we're going to break down in this video. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. First, let's open the box. And talk about what these two phones have in common. With a threefold structure, once fully unfolded, you get a massive display that's close to a tablet's screen ratio. Compared to traditional dual-fold phones, this design works better for both horizontal and vertical content, making office tasks and entertainment far more comfortable. Both devices support satellite communication, and both put serious effort into hinge durability. They've passed strict folding tests, so reliability isn't just talk. Simply put, these are trifold phones built on the foundation of flagship-level hardware. So where do the differences come in? If you're someone who loves multitasking or relies heavily on AI features, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold might instantly grab your attention. Samsung has clearly thought hard about how to fully unlock the potential of a trifold screen, and it shows in the multitasking system. When the phone is fully opened, the large display can be split into 3 independent work areas. For example, if I'm planning a weekend meal, I can browse restaurants on DNPing on the left screen, check routes on AMAP in the center, and chat with friends on WeChat on the right. All 3 run at the same time without getting in each other's way, massively boosting efficiency. The ultra-narrow 9:1 split-screen layout lets you watch videos while chatting at the same time. When working on documents, you can smoothly continue on the inner screen without interruptions. Even for gaming, you can play while keeping a strategy guide open. This big display feels intuitive and familiar, almost like using a PC interface, and it makes tasks like video editing much more efficient. For the first time, Samsung has also built an independent DeX mode directly into the phone, meaning you don't need an external monitor to get a PC-like multitasking experience. For users who frequently rely on AI, the deep integration of Galaxy AI is another major highlight. Samsung smartly combines AI features with the advantages of a large screen. There's an AI document assistant that can handle multiple files in split screen and generate mind maps. The meeting assistant can join split screen conferences and automatically create summaries. A browsing assistant translates web pages on the fly, while smart copywriting tools generate different styles of content based on topics. There's even an audio eraser that removes background noise from videos with a single tap. From creative work and meetings to helping kids with homework, it covers nearly every scenario. When it comes to cameras, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is the first to feature a 200-megapixel triple camera system. Alongside that, you get a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. The 200-megapixel main camera is especially impressive. You can simply shoot first and worry about cropping later, and the experience feels incredibly smooth and flexible. In terms of image quality, Samsung's triple camera setup sits right at the top of the trifold market. Protection and durability are another area where Samsung goes all out. The G-shaped inward folding trifold design helps protect the screen effectively. With IP48 water and dust resistance, an enhanced armored aluminum frame, and a titanium hinge cover, Samsung is confident enough to say you can use it without a case. In other words, this trifold phone can truly be treated like a regular flagship device without constantly worrying about scratches or water damage. Now let's shift our focus to Huawei. Huawei has positioned its TriFold phone firmly as a business-class flagship. It uses a Z-shaped TriFold design, and even though it features 3 screens, it can also switch into a more traditional dual-fold handheld mode. What you can do in this mode really depends on how creatively you choose to use it. Powering the device is the Kirin 9020 chip combined with HarmonyOS 5.1. From the hardware level all the way up to the software, everything is fully self-controlled by Huawei. This deep end-to-end optimization delivers a noticeably smooth and refined experience. If you're already invested in the Huawei ecosystem, the Mate XT Extraordinary Master connects seamlessly with your other Huawei devices, including Huawei vehicles, creating a very complete and cohesive user experience. When it comes to photography, Huawei continues to play to its strengths. The phone features a 50-megapixel RYB ultra-sensing main camera with a physical variable aperture that ranges from f1.4 to f4.0, offering up to 10 stops of adjustment. On top of that, the 1.5-megapixel multispectral red peak primary color camera helps deliver more accurate and natural color reproduction. For users who frequently shoot products or have strict requirements for color accuracy, this setup is especially practical. PC-level productivity is another key direction Huawei is clearly focusing on. The phone can directly run PC versions of professional applications like WPS Office and Oriental Fortune, which genuinely allows some light office users to move away from relying on laptops. By now, you may have noticed that while these two phones look similar in form, their priorities are very different. If you often juggle multiple tasks, have high expectations for AI-powered assistance, value flexible multi-screen collaboration, and want a device that can comfortably serve you for a long time, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold may be the better choice. Its G-shaped folding design and water resistance also provides stronger protection for everyday use. On the other hand, if you're already part of the Huawei ecosystem and prefer Huawei's strong, business-oriented design philosophy, the Huawei Mate XT Master may suit you better. TriFold phones are still in an early exploratory phase, and both Samsung and Huawei are pushing this category forward in their own unique ways. These kinds of innovations are exactly what keeps smartphone form factors evolving. So if you had to pick one, which would it be? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.